Hello good people, and thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. Karibu sana. If you're new here, my name is Regina. Remember to subscribe before you leave. Watch the video, like, share and comment. Let me know what you think. You can also follow me on my Instagram. And remember, thank you for always coming back and watching my videos. I really do appreciate. So let's begin with the video. Today we are going to make a very simple wardrobe. So I'm going to try and explain as much as I can where I can, but just follow along. It's so simple and very easy to do it. First, I'm going to start drilling pilot holes on both board, so the left and the middle one. So these are the distance where the shelf is going to be, the small shelf. So that's what I'm doing. For the shelf, I'm doing 11 by 16, 11 inch by 16. So that's what I'm cutting. I had six pieces. So yeah, I really don't know why, but I really struggle with straight lining, especially when it comes to board. So I normally take my sweet time. Sometimes things go wrong, and I tend to shift kidogo. But you can always rekebisha that, like you can always modify. So that is me. If I find something that can, like something that can do me a straight line without me struggling, I'll be so happy to even buy it, no matter how much it costs. That's why I am, because straight lines zinanilemeanga, but I try my best. Also believe that practice makes perfect. So the more you do it, the many times you do it, with time it becomes easy. If you had already done the pilot hole, so mounting the shelf becomes the easier part, because you just need to align the holes and the board, and now the shelf board. So that is the easier part. It's very simple. Just align and making sure that they are on a straight line and on leveled. So that part is done. We are going to do the top and the bottom. So as you can see on this board, I did a joint because the board was not enough. I used 1.5, but it was still not enough. I think because of the height, the wardrobe is very high. So I ended up doing a joint. So the joint is going to be at the bottom, because that's where I will put the stud, and the stud will help it to join them even more stronger together. So just repeat the same process, mounting each and every part. So this is the left side now, the other part of the wardrobe. So you just do the same. This part is very simple because it's open. This way we're going to do the hangings. To cover the back part, I'm using plywood. Plywood is just simple plywood, the one that is normally used on beds. Yes, if for more clarification, just mark where I want to cut it and just cut it. Yes, for this one you don't need to have a tool. You can use, I find if you have a very good scissor it works, but I use braid for this one.
It ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, keep the melters down again.
I'm using nails to attach the plywood to the border. It's faster and very easy. So sometimes I wonder if this is a tutorial. Is this a tutorial? I don't think it's just you following me along on what I'm doing. You can adjust the measurement, you can adjust the process. The good thing with DIY, it doesn't have to be copy and paste. You can do what you feel it's right at that time. You don't have to, like, alifanya hivi, let me do this. No, just do your thing, as long as at the end of the day you get the results that you want and you're happy with. To mount the hanging load, I'm using this small bit because the screws that comes with the load, they're not that big, and I don't want it to go past the board like the other one for shelf. So just mark where you want. You can decide to take it kidogo, but I find it ikiwa juu because I'm going to do 2 loads. It's easier for spacing ya juu na ya chini. It doesn't have to be like juu kabisa ama katikati. You get what I mean? Our wardrobe is completely done, but now we need to do some final touches. So I'm going to cover the cuts, the open, with something that is called a banding. That is the banding, as you can see. It comes in different color depending on your board. So to attach the two, I'm using my contact glue kama kawaida, because contact glue is available huku. I don't know if there is other glue that works for me like contact. So just apply contact, leave it for like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. It's dry sana, just kidogo. Then, but if it dries, don't worry, you can still apply it again and put your banding. I find that starting with the longer side is more safer. So because if you need to add on your banding, you just need to buy the small pieces rather than starting the small one. Then you end up with a very big waist that can't fit the longer part.
Days with you is paradise, but now you spin me in a web with
If you have watched up to this far, thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let me know what you think. Now this is the complete open shelf. You can do it at home. It's very easy. As I said earlier, if you don't have the tools, you can go to the hardware. They cut for you the measurement. Then your work is just to attach or to assemble the pieces. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.
your lies. Want you to feel